What up, YouTube? It's me, Isaac, coming to you with another edition of my life. So my mom went to something with my brother today, and my dad got me the new spicy chicken from the new fiery chicken from darn it, Burger King. That stuff is good. But yeah, I wanted a fiery Whopper, but apparently they weren't selling those, which is strange. When the menus on nearly all Burger Kings I've gone to have showed their fiery Whoppers. A bit on the bizarre side. Yeah, I really like their fiery chicken. It's good.